up everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Vicky and I've got a very special video for today. I'm gonna celebrate the creation of Britney Spears, so I will try to recreate some of her most iconic outfits from her music videos. I can't even tell you how much Britney Spears means to me. I've been a super fan, collecting stickers, calendars, audio cassettes and everything else, and I've been madly and deeply in love with her music. So in today's video I'm gonna try and recreate some of her outfits, but the ones you could wear actually every day, like the wearable ones. So if you want to see with what outfits I'm coming out, then keep on watching and please remember to subscribe, smash a big thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video. The first outfit was inspired from the video I'm Not a Girl, Not Yet a Woman, released in 2002. I opted for a pearl embellished top in cream from ASOS. An all gifted round necklace which doesn't have a blue stone like Britney's, but I think it's pretty close. This pair of jeans are from Mango and I know they're supposed to be flares, but I still need to invest in a pair. She wears as well a pair of black boots, so I decided to go for my cowboy style boots from New Look. I completed the look with a slim belt in brown from ASOS again. This is a remarkable video for the bleached blonde hair and eyebrows look Britney popularized. Also, how majestic are the natural wonders in this video. Seriously, go watch it now, such retro vibes. This look was inspired from the video Sometimes, and I think crop tops became a big thing in 1999 thanks to her. In fact, I'm very happy they're back in fashion again. Mine is from Topshop and was just 6 quid. The trousers are almost like hers, except the fact that they're not in white but ecru, so close enough. I decided to add as well a little bracelet for the accuracy. The outfit was completed with my chunky trainers from Fila, the same style of trainers she wears in the video. Despite the fact that Sometimes is a ballad, Britney still managed to bust some moves on the boardwalk, and that's why she's an iconic pop star. This outfit was inspired from the video If You Seek Amy and is the look of Britney's happy housewife. I went for a polo Ralph Lauren shirt scored from a thrifted store for only 12 quid. The white skirt is pretty similar but has buttons down the front, unlike Britney's where the buttons are only on the sides. I opted for a pair of white heels from Bershka and finished the look with a creamy jumper on my shoulders from Marks & Spencer. I'm a big fan of Britney's hairstyle here and it gives me some serious Marilyn Monroe vibes. One of the most controversial songs but extremely ambitious. This combination is my favorite and would wear it today without any tops, but just with a pair of trainers. The last look is the simplest one and it was inspired from the famous You Drive Me Crazy. I opted for a bra top from Puma and definitely was not the closest option, but I had a big headache finding something similar and not sold out. The black leggings are from ages ago and the shoes are just a lookalike Converse. With this video, Britney brought back the pigtails, the exposure and her trademark signature stop! I might use this look for a run and perhaps change the leggings with some cycling shorts. But overall, what do you think about these looks? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, it really helps me, and subscribe to see more of my future videos, and don't forget #FreeBritney. Hope to see you soon and take care. Bye!